Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we learned about the Bootstrap grid system. Now, let me ask you a simple question. If your website look good on a laptop, will it also look good on a mobile phone? The answer is not always, because every device has a different screen size. So, how does Bootstrap know when to change the layout? Bootstrap gives us a feature called breakpoint. Today, we will learn what breakpoints are, why we use them, and how they help us create responsive websites. It is a very easy topic. What are breakpoints? Before writing any code, let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you buy a t-shirt. Will one size fit everyone? No, right? Some people wear small, some wear medium, some wear large. In the same way, every device has a different screen size. A mobile phone has a small screen. A tablet has the biggest screen. A laptop has an even bigger screen, and a desktop has the biggest screen. So we can't use the same layout for every device. That's why Bootstrap uses breakpoints. Breakpoints help Bootstrap identify the screen size and automatically adjust the layout. Now let's look at the Bootstrap breakpoint chart. The first column shows the breakpoint's name. The second column shows the Bootstrap class. The third column shows the screen size. Here, px stands for pixel, which is a unit used to measure the width of a screen. Bootstrap provides the following breakpoints: extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and extra extra large. You may notice the greater than or equal to symbol. Its simple mean this screen size and larger. For example, SM starts from 576 pixel and above. MD starts from 768 pixel and above. LG starts from 992 pixel and above. One important thing to remember: we say extra small, Bootstrap does not have an XS class. The extra small breakpoint is the default breakpoint. That means if you don't write any breakpoint class, Bootstrap automatically applies those styles to mobile devices. Don't try to memorize these numbers today. Just understand that Bootstrap uses their screen size to decide when the layout should change. Why do we use breakpoints? Let's understand this with one simple example. Suppose your website has four cards. On desktop, there is enough space to display all four cards in one row. On a tablet, there is less space, so Bootstrap may display two cards in one row. Mobile phone, the screen is much smaller, so Bootstrap may display only one card in one row. Notice something important: the content doesn't change, only the layout changes according to the screen size. That's why responsive websites look good on every device. Where do we use breakpoints? Now you might be thinking, where will we use these breakpoints? We mainly use them with Bootstrap grid classes. For example, call SM6, call MD6, call LG4, call XL3. Don't worry about these classes right now. In the next video, we will use them practically and understand everything step by step. So today we learn bootstrap breakpoints. I hope this concept is clear now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.